AI has transformed from simple chatbots to complex agents, revolutionizing industries. Imagine AI not just as a tool, but as a partner in enterprise automation. This evolution is reshaping how businesses operate globally. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. The impact of AI on enterprise automation is profound. Companies are leveraging AI to streamline processes, reduce costs, and enhance productivity. This shift is not just a trend, it's a fundamental change in business operations. Modern AI agents are far more advanced than traditional chatbots. They can learn, adapt, and make decisions autonomously. This capability sets them apart, enabling them to handle complex tasks with minimal human intervention. Unlike chatbots, these AI agents can understand context and nuance. They offer personalized interactions and can predict user needs, making them invaluable in customer service and beyond. AI agents are making waves across various industries. In healthcare, they're assisting in diagnostics and patient care. In finance, they're optimizing trading strategies and fraud detection. By streamlining operations, AI boosts efficiency and reduces human error. Companies are seeing significant improvements in productivity and customer satisfaction thanks to these intelligent agents. AI agents are becoming coworkers, not just tools. They complement human skills, handling repetitive tasks, and allowing humans to focus on creativity and strategic thinking. The benefits of human-AI collaboration are immense. Together, they drive innovation, enhance decision-making, and create a more dynamic workplace environment. Integrating AI into the workplace isn't without challenges. Companies must address technical hurdles, employee training, and change management to ensure a smooth transition. Ethical considerations and data privacy are paramount. Businesses must navigate these issues carefully to maintain trust and comply with regulations. The future workplace will see AI as a central component. As AI continues to evolve, job roles will change, requiring new skills and adaptability from the workforce. AI will drive innovation, creating opportunities for growth and development. Embracing this change is crucial for staying competitive in the evolving job market. We've explored AI's journey from chatbots to coworkers, its impact on automation, and the benefits of human-AI collaboration. This transformation is reshaping enterprises, offering new possibilities and efficiencies. By embracing AI, businesses can enhance productivity and innovation. The shift from simple tools to intelligent partners marks a new era in enterprise automation. Now is the time to explore AI solutions for your business. Start by identifying areas where AI can add value and streamline operations. This proactive approach will position you for success. Consider integrating AI agents into your workflows. Begin with small, manageable projects to build confidence and expertise. This step-by-step strategy will ensure a smooth transition. Stay informed about AI advancements and trends. Continuous learning will keep you ahead of the curve and ready to adapt to new challenges and opportunities. Engage with AI communities and networks. Sharing insights and experiences will enrich your understanding and foster collaboration in this rapidly evolving field. By taking these steps, you'll harness AI's potential to transform your business. Embrace the change and lead the way in the AI-driven future. Let's embark on this journey together. Explore, integrate, and innovate with AI to unlock new possibilities for your enterprise. The future is AI-driven, and it starts with you.